everyone, so welcome back in my YouTube channel. So today we are going to write a query to find maximum salary, minimum salary and average salary department wise. So here I write select star from employees and it gave me this result. This is the employee table and these are the column name, employee ID, first name, last name, email, hire date, department, gender, salary and region ID. These are the columns in the employee table. So here I will write the query to find a maximum salary department wise. So here I will write column name department, maximum salary, and here I will give alias name to this maximum salary, from employees, and here I will group by this department. So if I will execute this query, it's going to give me result maximum salary department wise. So here one thing is need to keep in mind, like if I will define any aggregate function in select statement, like here I define maximum is this is a aggregate function, and before this aggregate function if I define any column name, and after this aggregate function if I define any column name, this is mandatory to define it group by. So for example, if I define a column name like gender, this is the column name, and if I will not define it group by, then this is going to give error. This is going to give me error. And error is like employees.gender must appear in the group by clause we used in aggregate function. So like whatever we will define in the select statement with aggregate function, it's mandatory to define in group by. So if I will define this column name here, then now this is going to give me result. This is the department maximum salary and this is the gender. Okay, so this is the other thing. So now we'll find minimum salary in this. So for minimum salary I will write aggregate function minimum salary, and I'm going to give alias name to this minimum salary and minimum salary, and for average salary I'm going to give alias name average salary. Whatever name you want to give, you can mention in alias name. Like here I mention alias name maximum salary, and for minimum salary, for average salary. And so if I will run this query, it's going to give me maximum salary, minimum salary and average salary department wise. So this is the result, like this is the result department wise. It's showing department wise maximum salary, minimum salary and average salary. So this is all about the finding maximum salary, minimum salary and average salary. I hope this will clear to you, and thank you so much for watching me.